Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how much data does Google Maps use. So, if you want to check how much data does Google Maps use, at first you have to go to the settings and now mobile network. Here we have to enter data usage, and here you'll be seeing the amount of data usage and the applications here sorted from highest to lowest. You have to just search for the Google Maps here, but I don't have the SIM card, so I don't see it there. Apart from that, if you use Google Maps, for example, on Bluetooth, you can enter Bluetooth settings and tap this three dots in the top right corner. Here more settings, and here Wi-Fi data usage. Here we have data usage by app. Let's tap that. And here, as you can see, we have maps and this amount. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.